This is the GENMAX generator, specifically the GM5500i model. It's a portable generator that's designed for home backup power, camping, and workplace needs. Right off the bat, looking at its design, it's clear that this generator was made with practicality in mind. It's got a sleek, compact build with an origin black panel that gives off a modern, durable vibe. While it's on the bulkier side, at around 127 pounds, the telescoping handle and integrated wheels make it reasonably portable. I can easily tilt it back and roll it anywhere I need, which is a huge relief considering its size and weight. When I first unboxed it, I admittedly felt a bit intimidated. I wasn't sure if setting it up would involve a lot of complicated steps, given that generators can sometimes seem overly technical. But I was pleasantly surprised. The setup process was straightforward, even for someone like me, who isn't exactly an expert in these kinds of machines. The instruction manual was simple and clear, explaining everything step by step. If you're someone who's more of a visual learner, like I am, there are plenty of quick online videos you can refer to for guidance. Within minutes, the generator was up and running, and I felt pretty confident using it. Speaking of using it, the overall experience has been fantastic so far. Let's talk about the performance. This generator offers 5,000 running watts and 5,500 peak watts, which is enough to handle quite a few appliances and devices at once. During a recent power outage at home, I was able to run my refrigerator, phone charger, a couple of lights, and even my microwave without any hiccups. That's a real lifesaver in a situation where you need to keep your essential electronics up and running. Another thing worth noting is the engine. It has a 4-stroke gas-powered engine, and it's designed to deliver less than 3% total harmonic distortion, THD. Now, if you don't know what THD is, it's basically the amount of voltage distortion a generator gives off. A lower THD, like this one has, ensures that sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones won't get damaged when plugged in. One of my favorite things about the GENMAX generator is its Eco Mode feature. Its mode automatically adjusts the engine speed based on the connected load. What that means in real terms is that it runs more efficiently, saving on fuel and making less noise. I took this out for a recent camping trip, and the difference Eco Mode made was instantly noticeable. It kept the vibes peaceful around the campsite because it was quieter than I expected, about 60 decibels, which is close to the volume of a normal conversation. Another plus was the extended runtime. With the 3.9-gallon fuel tank, it ran for nearly 10 hours, which is perfect if you need power during long evenings or extended outages. What really makes this generator so user-friendly is its built-in multifunctional power panel. This panel provides essential operational feedback like low oil alarms, overload warnings, and carbon monoxide detection. The Co-Detect shutdown sensor stood out to me as an excellent feature for safety. It's comforting to know it'll shut itself off if it detects dangerous carbon monoxide levels. That brings a sense of relief, especially since safety is always a concern when dealing with power equipment like this. The digital display also made it easy to monitor everything at a glance, including fuel levels and power usage. But let's not sugarcoat it. There are some things I wasn't too thrilled about. For one, while it's quieter compared to other generators in its class, it still gets a little noisy when operating under heavy load. If you're running larger appliances or tools, the hum becomes a lot more noticeable. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if you'll be using it in quieter settings or around neighbors. Another thing is the regular maintenance it requires. Keeping the generator in top condition means you need to clean the filters and check the components every so often. There's also the occasional backflushing of the fuel system to keep it running smoothly. While none of these tasks are overly complicated, they are something you'll need to stay on top of. In conclusion, the GENMAX generator is a solid choice if you're in need of a reliable power source for camping trips, job sites, or home emergencies. From my experience, it's dependable, fuel-efficient, and packed with thoughtful features like the Eco Mode and the Co-Detect shutdown sensor. Though it's not perfect, especially when it comes to noise during heavy workloads and the need for periodic maintenance. It's a product I'd recommend if you're looking for a versatile generator that can handle a range of power needs. It strikes a good balance between power and practicality. I will post full information about the GENMAX generator in the comments section. See you in the following videos.